Looking for a smart, stylish gadget that stands out? Meet the Huawei Intelligent Light Tube Clock, a perfect blend of technology and design. This clock is packed with amazing features. It connects to a Wi-Fi network to automatically update the date, time, and even the weather. No apps or complicated setups are required. It's simple and ready to use. And one of the coolest things, the clock comes with a switchable animation display, so you can customize the look to fit your mood. It even supports night mode, reducing brightness for a comfortable viewing experience in the dark. Want more personalization? You can upload animations, photos, and even modify the clock's colors and themes. Plus, it allows you to easily switch between date formats. Made with high-quality acrylic material, this clock delivers a beautiful light guiding effect. And with multiple lighting options, it adds a touch of elegance to any space. It's compact, lightweight, and powered by a Type-C interface with a 5-volt DC input. At just 8 by 8 by 9 centimeters and weighing 150 grams, it fits perfectly in any corner of your room or office. So why wait? Upgrade your desk or bedside table with the Huawei Intelligent Light Tube Clock today.